Hi, I'm Mike Mastis. I'm the president and founder of Delta Disaster Services. I've been in the insurance restoration industry for 30 plus years. I've seen a lot come and I've seen a lot go. I also saw the opportunity to build a full-service, competent property restoration firm where technology, communication, and education were at the forefront. I did that in one of the most competitive markets in the United States, Denver, Colorado. Our first 5 years in business were critical to build a model. We were an Inc. 500 company, we were recognized by the governor, and had a lot of other national accolades as well. Once I perfected the model, I took it national, and right now we have 30 franchise locations nationally, and we're looking to continue to grow.
Looking at the opportunity to use a franchise system and the support with it, that it would potentially allow me to retire before the age of 40.
Profit levels look very good too. It's just, it looks like an all-around good growth industry.
We went over a lot of the financials, which gave us a lot of comfort in knowing that we can do this.
It was absolutely phenomenal. From being interactive, we weren't just sitting at a desk being lectured to, it was games and questions and so much learning, from systems to software to actually going out on job sites.
We got a good sense of what the field work was. I got to go out with a crew, actually learn to manage a new loss, see some jobs in progress, which was very helpful.
We have an incredible group of people that are going to be there to support us. They're there weekly on our calls, they're there to set us up, they're going to be there to answer all the important questions. More importantly, they're going to always be there. So our launch is going to be very successful.
We're leaving here today with a full marketing and business plan and pro forma of what we are expecting from ourselves and our team when we get back in order to reach our goals.
I think DMS is invaluable to a franchise.
It is a complete management of the jobs from start to finish. We can market through it, it tracks our customers, referral sources, and it also helps us with time management on the jobs.
I can't imagine trying to run a restoration company without it.
I think every single day we help people.
This gives me a vehicle to help as many people as I possibly can. It also helps me create lasting impressions in my community.
I like helping people in a time of need put their lives back together.
Our objective in the next 3 to 5 years is to add 500 franchise units nationally, which we'll do.